Holy crap, I didn't expect that thumbnail to work. Here you are. I mean, geez, that thumbnail. People promising how to make beats. It's one of the stupidest things I've ever heard. You guys gotta be. Okay. I will show you how to make a beat in Logic. I probably have already seen like a dozen videos and you're still here, but I will do this. I will take one for the team. There's really just like 3 different things that I would do. And this is like the easy way, because if you're here watching this video, it means you probably need like the easiest way possible for this. I'm instrument tracking here. Let's come over here to our electronic drum kit, and you'll probably have heard of the TR-808. We're going to load that up. And this is probably the most important step, if I'm perfectly honest with you. The first step you really need is one of these Akai MPK minis. If you don't have one of these, it's pretty much impossible to make a beat. But now, got this loaded, so you can actually do a beat like that. But, there's a few steps that I really think are important. One of them is going to be in our preferences. Just make sure that under the recording tab, you've got the cycle on and make it merge, because we just want to create one simple beat here. We're going to just loop that up here. This is important. Let me see, where's my hi-hat? Go to the other bank here. That's it. Let's record some more. Okay, so we're going to quantize this. 16th notes, obviously. Didn't even matter how I played that. Jeez, it was horrible too. Next step, add another track. On this track with our MIDI effects, well, let's load up a patch first, just so that we can get something good. We'll do one of our electric pianos. Perfect. MIDI effect, let's do chord trigger. But we got to pull up one of these pop left hand, right hands. Quantize that too, right? Everything. Quantize everything. looking loop. Ooh, not that way though. We're going to drag this right over all the way to the header and do a quick sampler optimized. Ooh. And we're going to just put a real quick arpeggiator on here. Grid this thing out. Okay, so real quick, I'm just going to play this one more time. Ooh, and I didn't even push record. So we're going to have to do capture recording on this to make sure we didn't lose any of that. Oh, beautiful. And let's quantize that, of course, too. Eighth notes with 86%. And that is how you make a beat. I didn't even explain half the instructions at the end because I figured most of you weren't even watching. But if you are still here, if you're still watching, bless you. Okay, I gotta go. Didn't mean to even make this video.